get that from McAllister. There are so many customization op sites for... Optimization op... What the f*** did I just say?
Optimization op sites?
Yeah, wow.
The op site.
There is so many customization op sites for your website.
What
the f***, bro? I'm trying to say customization options.
I think you're reading ahead to website.
Yeah.
Just get customization options.
That's what I'm trying to say.
But he keeps saying op site.
There are so many customization options. All right. Did I say, what did I say?
You say, I think you're...
Customization?
Customize it. You emphasize
Oh,
the I.
f*** me, dude. We're going back to the air ant.
Oh, no, we're not doing this again.
Once you've made your way up to level 15, you can unlock Epic Night Errant. How do you... Errant? I can't f***ing say it. Errant.
Aaron.
Like Aaron. Errant. Errant. Right?
Errant.
You
keep saying Errant.
Errant.
They are so f***ing similar. I feel like it's apple. Am I saying customization wrong?
No.
No, you're saying it right.
I don't know what he's going on about.
Okay, thank you.
I don't understand.
I'm like, dude, I need a win.
I have no
for
idea
once,
what he's
man.
saying.
You ever heard someone say ization?
I
feel like it's ization.
I got Stutter James correcting me over. I'm sorry. All right. There are so many customization op sites. Dude, I'm gonna fucking cream.
Op sites?
I don't know.
Where?
Because when I read off camera, it's fine.
So
Okay,
the
don't read on the phone.
the
Right,
word
try that.
website is after that. I feel like his mind is jumping to website.
I guess. I don't know. I'm reading it and it's just fucking coming out wrong. Oh god, am I dying? Do I have a tumor in my brain? All right. There are so many customization options.
Go ahead, go for it, Matt. Just don't
We good? We going? I can't. Okay.
Matt probably can't see shit
I
right
can't
now.
see shit in this angle. The way I see it, you guys could keep sitting on your ideas, or you can make the move and download Shopify. Make the move and turn them into reality today. Yeah. The way I see it, you could still be sitting on your idea, or you can move them into reality with.
Dude, you sounded like or what's that one guy, Ty Lopez or whatever?
Lamborghini garage.
Books, knowledge.
I can go.
Alright, we're 40 seconds in, I can't help it.
I feel like
I need caffeine.
you know some of my drink? Really?
Oh, you thought I was gonna say no. Keep going.
Yeah, I did. I was like,
He's really down
I was like, you're
bad.
that desperate?
I told you I'm hungry for caffeine.
Okay. Now we need to up the orders, I think. Time to triple them.
I agree.
All right.
All right, it's the cardboard setup over here. You have to move to What is going on with Peter, by the way?
Dude,
Why is he built like that?
Oh. He was like,
Oh my god.
why is he so little? What the heck? Does it always do that?
I don't know. This PC's cursed, man. What is happening? Oh.
Dude, look, he's still messed
Oh,
up.
what is going on, dude? Oh my god, this mouth is horrible. Oh, this is
My eyes are watery.
this has been bad.
Okay, guys, so we finished. We come in peace. Who's
finished.
peace?
Am I interrupting something?
Yeah, Microsoft's f***ing me. Of course, we will tell you if we think they're actually trash or not.
So step by step. So how this video is gonna go as.
I'm doing a focus up, tongue out.
Don't, because you don't edit your own videos.
Ugh.
Yeah, I didn't.
You want to watch out? Listen, at PC Bros, we may not always have computers. I'm just kidding. I need to restart that because I don't know where I was going. And on top of that, it's gaming without a GPU.
I go with that.
I don't even know what maybe I shouldn't even call it gaming.
You heard that right.
But yeah, it's really not gaming. So
Let's just restart the. Now this little mini PC will be for sale at PCBros.tech, but what you wait, oh shit. But we also have large PCs at PCBros.tech.
Which PCBros.tech. Come on, ADD gamer.
McAllister, if you ever wonder why it takes us a while to get you videos,
We were just zooming yesterday. It's crazy.
Jonah, do you have anything to say?
No. I can't do this anymore.
All right. But these is they kind of look like normal glasses, so you can just wear them and be out in public and not be really embarrassed.
Here I am.
Dude, it looks like Zach.
Look like Zach now. This will help you. Just put.
Ooh, that does. It makes everything a little brighter. It connected. What are you laughing at? Grok.
Grok.
Wait. Jarvis, add the jiggle physics. Jarvis, make her 7 feet tall. Yes. Yes.
Jarvis, increase satiates by 12%.
No, you gotta hit the. Jarvis, make her 8 feet tall. Oh yes.
Jarvis, make her blue.
We'll be back.
So you've made it this far, and we thank you for watching. Peace out.
You made it this far. What's wrong with you?